So, Nick here, back with yet another video. And in today's video, I got something cool to share with you guys. This is some pop sockets from a company called Ohsnap. As you can see here, these are the pop socket here. And I'll be giving away two of my lucky subscribers, and all you need to do is just stick to the end of this video for instructions on how you can enter this giveaway. And I'm really sorry to say it's not international. I'll be doing an international giveaway soon, but for now it's just local for where I am right now. So if you're a local, please, you can enter this giveaway if you want. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump on into this video. So this company Ohsnap has sent over their Snap grip and Snapcharge for me to check out. And this is not just a pop socket. This comes with a wireless charger, which you can see here. Taking a look at what you get inside this little box, here you're greeted with the wireless charger, and down below here you will see your charger to power this thing. And it's also a Type-C braided cable, which is known to be more durable and lasts a very long time. So this wireless charger looks really small and also sleek as well. So this won't take up as much space on your desk or anywhere you put this thing. And you also get another charging cable as well, so that's super nice to have both. The more cables I have, the better I feel in myself, because let's face it, nowadays tech is all about the Type-C life, and that's a win for me with all these Type-C devices releasing on a regular basis. So yeah, so all these goodies, and you're wondering, Nick, how can a pop socket actually charge your phone? I just want to say thank you Ohsnap for sponsoring today's video, and I will leave links down in the description for you guys if you want to go ahead and cop these before. And I will leave their Instagram handle as well, because they're more active on Instagram also, so that's down in the description for you guys if you want to check them out. So let's check out this pop socket first. So it comes in this neat well packaging here with the Ohsnap printed on the front of it, and it's actually a magnet type pop socket, and the magnet on this is super strong, so I had to use a lot of force to pull this thing apart from the base piece, which is the part you stick on the back of the device, and it's pretty sturdy once this is installed. I must say it's not easy to remove this once it's been installed for a while, because of how strong this adhere onto the device, so you want to just keep that in mind. And pushing your finger through this, you can see how strong the rubber is. One thing I like about this thing is when you remove your finger from the pop socket, it sits flush with the device, which is cool because I don't really see any other pop socket with this feature. Most of them are so bulky and can be a pain to carry around in your pocket, so this pop socket from Ohsnap I definitely recommend to you guys. So to install this thing, all you have to do is just align the base piece with the charging coil. That's if you have a device that supports wireless charging and you just want to press firmly while applying so it adheres to the device. Ohsnap said this process will take up to 24 hours for it to fully adhere to the device. I just slap this thing on, and the next 5 minutes I start using this thing, and it's been working fine just far. I had no problem there, and you can see if I put this on the Snapcharge, it will start charging instantly, which is super cool. A pop socket charging your device, that's insane. And it charges at 15 watts, so you will need a 15-watt power brick to make use of that fast charging capability. So yeah, and the look of this is really nice. I think they have a sale on limited editions going on right now, so you want to consider checking those out because they're going really fast. And this can also be used as a kickstand as well, so if you want to just consume some content, relax, and you just don't want to hold the device in your hand, you can just flip the middle piece to one corner of the groove on the pop socket, and you can see it's a kickstand, which is a nice feature as well. And this also stick to anything magnetic, so like on your fridge or anything metal, this will stick to it, and I don't think you have to worry about this falling, because I don't think it will with this strong band of magnets in this thing. So that's something to note as well. And I wish I had a different case to test this with, because I do think this works with a case on. Also, this case won't be able to use because of the cutout here. Not really much of a case guy either, so I'll get one to test it with another time, but for now I'll just rock it like this. Alright, as promised, I'll be giving away two of this Ohsnap grip to two of my lucky subscribers. So all you have to do to actually enter this giveaway is first make sure you're a subscriber of this channel, and also like this video, because yeah, why not? And also leave a comment down below of your favorite feature about the Ohsnap grip and the accessories and stuff. And that's it, you're basically entered. So that's all you need to do. Like this video, be a subscriber, and also just drop a comment down below of your favorite feature about the Ohsnap grip, and I will pick two winners 2 weeks from now, so on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on my Instagram, please do so down below. I will have all my social links down below as well. So that's basically it for today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this one, and if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead by subscribing down below, and also ring that notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Peace.